so we're not taking the Swift today. Here we go. It sounds healthy as.
It feels healthy.
Ooh, that's really good to hear.
Once you put new springs in, are you going to do anything else to the back? What do you mean?
Oh wait. Oh hey yo.
Yeah. That was it. I only found one. I was going to try and find two. That's cool.
Ooh.
Rusty Bigfoot. No, the AutoZam, I was trying to find two so we could give one to
Oh, I got
Dan.
an AutoZam.
Yeah.
The Matchbox one.
Yeah, but I found a red one.
Oh, I got a blue.
And I kept one for myself, and then I found one red one. I need to find another red one.
Damn. If I only had a red.
I don't think I have anything by Matchbox.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's dope.
Rollers.
That is the goods.
But I like that stuff he's got on the seat. Yeah, that's fine. I wouldn't. Because I just want the simple.
Oh, look at that pink.
That's a.
What's that?
Probably my exhaust.
Oh, damn. Long time no see.
Where's your Crusader? It broke down. What happened? Hello?
Familiar faces everywhere. That would have been cool, especially on the 4 studs as well. That is amazing. On TC2s? The best way to end the week is with a cruise, and not only are we going on a cruise with a few mates, but we are going on a cruise with a whole culture of 80s cars. We've got everything from K-trucks to Jazzes to Preludes. It's just going to be a chill vibe, driving along with some amazing 80s cars. It's an Acti attack, so I'm not too sure if it's very hostile, but judging by those eyebrows, I think it might actually attack. We also have a MX-5 over here as well. Factory Nardi wheel, very stock plus, but also the paint has been kept pretty well. We also have a Honda Jazz on some white Advan wheels. Let's see what the exhaust note's like as well. Very subtle. Starting to question whether that is actually an actual exhaust. I think it's the tip of the muffler. Oh wow, and that interior. That is dope. So we got some boys in blue over here who aren't really too happy with us being here, so we're gonna start heading out. The boys in blue have arrived. I believe so. Yeah, Kurt's behind us. There's the boy. Look at that. This is like Lenny Kebabs all over again. I think we got a spot. What a turnout. That's pretty sick. Wow.
At the safety beach at 1 point. So we're going to go for the driver in despair. Now we've got it.
So, as you see right behind me, we are at Safety Beach. We have a bunch of really cool old school cars right behind me. We all managed to get to the first point, and then now we've all managed to get here despite getting separated by traffic, but there are about to be a few more arrivals. Here they come. There they are.
It was how it was heading.
Yeah.
So
The sun's setting on all of these amazing Japanese 80s cars. It has been a pretty big day. I am absolutely exhausted just from chilling with the windows down, with the wind brushing against my face while we're just driving with a pack of amazing cars. This is probably going to be the official first video that I've recorded and edited this year, so I hope you guys have enjoyed the amazing time we've been having. If you like the video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.